what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Tommy Lee on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. You can play this song with no capo in standard tuning. The three chords you'll need are 10, 12, 12. 10 starting with your pointer finger on the A string. 10, 12, 12. And then you move that down to 8, 10, 10. And then 6, 8, 7. 6, 8, 7. 10, 12, 12. 8, 10, 10. 6, 8, 7. The picking pattern, you can think of it like in 6, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops, so playing it slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it sounds like the song, he's palm muting it, so just put this part of your palm lightly on the base of the strings here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.